So today in the kitchen, what I'm doing is I'm making Lazy Daisy squares. Now in Lazy Daisy squares, this recipe, you need a cup of cake flour. Now I don't have a cup of cake flour. I don't use cake flour often enough to store it in my house. So there is a substitute for it, and I'm going to show you what that is. Because I prefer the substitute because cake flour doesn't really have as many uses as... So there's my flour right there. I have all-purpose flour, and there's a cup of it measured out. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take that cup, and I take 2 tablespoons out of it. And what I'm going to do after I take the tablespoons out of it is I'm going to put cornstarch into it, because cornstarch is so neutral that you can actually do that. And it'll work with the other ingredients. So I'm just going to take, there's one, put it back in the bag. And there's 2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the bottle of cornstarch, which I have right here. Oops, sorry. And as you can see, it's from Canada. And then I'm going to put it in the mixer. So I'm going to point you over to the mixer, just for you to get an idea what I'm doing. And I'm going to put the flour in there. And then as well as I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons to replace the flour that I took out. There's 1 of the cornstarch. And this will actually substitute cake flour. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to turn my mixer on and mix it together. Probably going to mix it about 2 or 3 minutes, but there you see there is a substitute. So watch for my next video where I'm actually making the Lazy Daisies with the substitute, and thanks for watching.